this is how to do the angle bisector construction. As with the previous construction, I have my steps off to the side, just off of camera and off of frame here, but I'll be following those. Step number 1 says draw an arc centered on the vertex. This is the angle I'm bisecting, and so here's the vertex. I'm going to put my needle on that vertex, and it doesn't say how big to make the arc, so I'm just going to make it what feels like a comfortable measurement to me. That seems pretty comfy. And I'm going to try to do this up with my paper. Oof, that's a hard angle for my hand. Okay, I just want to make sure that I get good clean intersections between this arc and the sides of the angle. That's what's the most important. When you have this arc drawn, you're going to draw an arc centered on each of these intersections. So one arc centered here and one arc centered here. Again, the radius of this arc doesn't matter. You can make it as big or as small as you want. I like making this one pretty big so my intersection ends up way out here. Okay? But you do whatever you feel is comfortable, making sure that when you're done drawing them, that those arcs are going to intersect. The bigger the radius, the easier it is to get them to intersect. Okay? I don't know how big of an arc I'm going to need, so I'm just going to make sure I fill up just as much of this interior space of the angle as I can. So there we go. That's a nice big arc, taking up a lot of real estate there inside my angle. Now using that same radius, I'm going to center my compass on the other intersection. And I'm going to repeat. But this time I don't have to take up as much space because I already know what I'm trying to intersect. So I just need to get it to intersect. Just big enough to show the intersection. Step 3, ray from vertex. Push it through that intersection you just drew. And we have bisected the angle.